we were sent these food storage containers by Fullstar for our review, and it comes in a pack of 24, and you literally have all the sizes. You've got your round ones, you've got your rectangles, you've got the squares. One of the coolest things that you do not see often is you've got these cute little round ones here, and these are really great for all your sauces, ketchups, dressing. I'm even looking at it and kind of thinking like maybe when I travel, even some of like my creams and stuff would fit in here, which is really cool. You have all of the labels as well, so you can label on here, you know, if you got your baking powder, your baking soda, of course it comes with the pen as well. It is the full complete set. As I said, this is 24, but you can also get different amounts as well. And they've got a great seal on them, as you can see that right there. And then once you click them into each other, they are leak proof as well. Let me just get the line it up. There we go. So you've got all those beautiful snaps, so that will make it completely leak proof. And one of the things I really love is that they're stackable. They've got this little lip on them, so they're not going to fall off. They're great.